Transfer $80,000 401k to physical gold IRA rollover without penalty, 10-step guide. Are you considering transferring an $80,000 401k to a physical gold IRA without penalties? This guide outlines 10 essential steps to seamlessly transition your funds, ensuring you avoid penalties and benefit from the stability of precious metals. 10-step guide to transfer an $80,000 401k to a physical gold IRA. 1. Understand gold IRAs. Learn the basics of a gold IRA, which allows holding physical gold as a retirement asset. 2. Select a custodian. Choose a reputable custodian experienced in managing precious metals IRAs. 3. Open a self-directed IRA. This account type lets you hold physical gold and diversify your portfolio. 4. Execute the rollover. Request a direct rollover from your 401k to avoid penalties. 5. Transfer funds. Ensure your 401k funds are accurately transferred to your new IRA. 6. Choose physical gold. Select gold investments that meet IRS purity standards, 0.995 fineness. 7. Purchase gold. Work with your custodian to buy and securely transport the gold. 8. IRS approved storage. Store your gold in an IRS approved depository for security. 9. Monitor investment. Regularly review your investment to stay aligned with your goals. 10. Consult advisors. Seek advice from financial experts to optimize your strategy. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer an $80,000 401k to a gold IRA, enhancing your retirement portfolio's resilience. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.